Hey everyone, it's Farah from Zoom, and in this brief video, we're going to review how you can share content on your screen and annotate using our whiteboard capability and annotation tools. One thing I'll note here is that everyone has the share screen button built into Zoom. This makes sharing content seamless so that anyone in your meeting or virtual classroom can share content without having to pass presenter controls. We'll see the green share screen button built in to everyone's Zoom window. One thing that I love about the way Zoom does screen sharing is that you'll always have the opportunity to preview what you share before it goes live. When you click on the green share screen button, you'll get a pop-up window showing you what you can share. Any programs that are open on your screen will appear. So if you want to share something other than your full desktop, you can select an individual application like a PowerPoint or a web browser. If you'd like to share a video with sound, we have a built-in share computer sound and optimize for full screen video clip before you go to the web browser to play the video. We also have advanced sharing options built in case you'd like to share a portion of your screen, keeping the notes on one half and then sharing content from the other half. You can even share files easily from any file sharing services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once you've selected what you would like to share, you can click the share button in the lower right-hand corner. Some of you may have also noticed that we had a whiteboard option, which I'll pull up on the screen now. And from whiteboard, this allows people to draw and annotate directly on the screen. We can see some folks have already found this option. What you'll see here is that we have a toolbar that allows you to type in text. You'll have drawing options for specific shapes, squares and circles. We can see someone found the stamp tool with the hearts and the arrows, and Catherine and Robert have also found their arrow tool to annotate. As the host, I can save this image to review later, and I can also clear everyone's drawings. And just to review what that looks like, I'm going to go into full screen sharing mode again. And I'm going to click on annotation to get the toolbar. So here you can see where I can toggle between my mouse and my draw tools. So I have the text tool, draw tool, stamps. And if folks were to start drawing on this screen share right now, under my more options as the host, I can show the names of people that are annotating. So if Catherine were to click on her arrow, that has her name in it. If Carly were to draw a circle on my video or a crown, we'd be able to see Sam's name over here when he's drawing his name. And so this is one really cool feature. So you'll always be able to identify who is annotating in your session. Also, if you decide that you don't want people to annotate, you have the control to disable annotation from your attendees while still giving you the ability as the host to draw directly on the screen like this. One other thing I'll review with you, going back to our screen sharing options, since anyone does have the ability to seamlessly share, you can use a setting with the up arrow next to screen sharing. Again, you will only see this up arrow if you are the host of the meeting. And this will allow you to go to advanced sharing options where you can restrict who shares to just the host. If you do want to have collaborative share, you can allow all participants to share, and you can restrict who shares when someone else is sharing and restrict it only to the host. So right now, if Robert or Carly tried to hit the share button, it would let them know that they have to wait until I'm done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions about screen sharing or annotation, please visit our support page at support.zoom.us. Thanks, everyone.